Hey friends, if you wish to fix the orange screen of death on your computer, then please watch this video. Now, the first solution is to remove peripherals, especially peripherals like cameras, scanners, printers, and other such devices which push their own drivers to the system. Because if they're pushing their own drivers to the system, those drivers will conflict with the drivers which are already in the system, thus causing the orange screen of death. The second solution is to update the graphics card drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. And then we need to update the graphics card drivers. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one automatically. The second one, update the driver search automatically. The next one is to turn off hardware acceleration on your system. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select display in the right pane. Scroll down and click on graphics, and then select change default graphics settings, and then disable this hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. The last one is to disable overclocking. Now, how does one disable overclocking? So there are a lot of software products like Armory Crate, etc. These software products have this issue that when you use them for overclocking, they damage your system. Now, if you have used any such also third-party software for overclocking your system, you know what you did. I will suggest you not to overclock it. Reverse that. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.